Hello, I'm ETarte, math teacher. This is the 13th in a series of videos that I am making for Mark, who is a high school math student in the Philippines. He sent me a group of math problems that he needs help with in order to prepare for a math contest in which he will be participating later this month. And I am trying to respond to his request for help. Mark, one of the questions asks, if you toss a fair coin 5 times, what is the probability that it will come up heads exactly 3 of those times? Well, probability answers are fractions. The fraction of a probability answer has as its denominator the total number of possible outcomes, and as its numerator the total number of favorable outcomes, assuming that all outcomes are equally likely. In this case, the favorable outcomes will be the ones where the heads comes up exactly 3 times. First, we'll figure the denominator, the total number of possible outcomes of flipping a coin 5 times. Well, if you flip a coin once, there are 2 possible outcomes, head or tail. If you flip the coin twice, there are 4 possible outcomes, as shown in this diagram, following the lines. Head then head, head then tail, tail then head, tail then tail. 4 possible outcomes. That's for flipping the coin twice. If you flip the coin 3 times, there are 8 possible outcomes. HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT, THH, THT, TTH, and TTT. Notice every time you flip the coin again, that doubles the number of possible outcomes. First it was 2 outcomes, then 4, then 8. With 4 flips there will be 16 possible outcomes, and with 5 flips, 32 possible outcomes. And this problem is about 5 flips, so the denominator of our answer will be 32. Now we have to figure out the numerator, that is, in how many of those 32 times will heads come up exactly 3 times? Well, we can count them. Heads could come up on flips 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 4, 1, 2, and 5, 1, 3, and 4, 1, 3, and 5, 1, 4, and 5, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, and 5, 2, 4, and 5, or 3, 4, and 5. That's 10 ways. Or you could do the counting another way. The number of ways in 5 flips for 3 heads to come up must be the same as the number of ways for 2 tails to come up. And you can count those. I'll show them in red. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 5. That's 10 ways. So either way you count, the numerator of our fraction is 10, with denominator 32. So that's a good answer. Flipping a coin 5 times, the probability that exactly 3 of those times it'll come up heads is 10 over 32, which reduces to 5/16. That 10 is a combinations answer. A combination is a group of numbers in which order is not important. A mathematical method for finding such an answer, different from simply counting all the ways, is like this. The notation that I use is 5C3 in this case, C for combinations. In this case it's 5C2. The way you do it is you form a fraction, take the smaller number, in this case 3, on the bottom count down to 1, 3 times 2 times 1. On top, count down from 5, but stop as soon as you have as many multipliers on top as on the bottom. So that's 5 times 4 times 3. Evaluate that fraction, you get 10. For 5C2, you'll get the same answer. You count on the bottom from 2 to 1, 2, 1, 2 times 1. On top, 5 times 4. 2 multipliers on the bottom, 2 multipliers on top. And that gives you 10 also. So that's a way to get a combinations answer without actually doing the counting. I have a calculator with combination's capability, and if I enter into it 5C3 or 5C2, it gives me the answer 10. So Mark, that's it for this problem. There'll be more videos to come. Thank you for watching.